guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name is Josh. Welcome to another day in the life with Speedy Gone. We cover all BMW maintenance, modifications, mostly modifications, coding, and everything in BMW in between. Let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the key fob and battery replacement. If you're anything like me, you get in your car every now and then the car wants to yell at you and scream at you and say, hey, fix me, do something. So I've been getting the notification in my car to replace the battery key fob for about 2 weeks now, and it's one of those things, it's not really a big deal. I have the TPMS sensor, that code goes off every single day to let me know that I don't have TPMS sensors in my car as I'm running aftermarket wheels without those sensors. So every single day I'm used to the car yelling at me, but now it's getting kind of annoying because now it's yelling at me twice. Every single day I get in, replace that battery key fob, replace that battery key fob. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so before we get started, I'm sure you're wondering, Josh, what's going on here? So I saw this idea on a Peter McKinnon vlog, and I always wanted to do this, and I thought maybe this would be a good idea because I can't be the only one that does this. So we're going to start a little series, and every now and then I'm going to do a what's in my pockets. And I was always really curious about this once I saw Peter McKinnon do this, because why not? Why not obviously, partake in this? But every time I'm walking around now, I see all these people, and I'm like, man, what's in their pockets? Whether it's, what kind of keys they have to distinguish their taste in cars, or what kind of phone they have, what their preferences for here and there. And it's always just been really curious to me, and I know it's the most random thing of all time, but what's in your pockets? Let me know. So for me, I can't be the only one that does this, so please let me know. But am I the only one who walks around with 2 keys in my pocket? Literally at all times. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I always have a spare set of keys in my pocket, literally at all times. I keep one in my left pocket, one in my right pocket, literally at all times. And then another Peter McKinnon idea. I nowadays walk around with this pocket knife in my pocket at all times, and I never really realized how handy it comes in. I never had done that before, and the last few months I've done it, and literally I use this thing every single day. It's crazy, literally crazy. So then moving forward, obviously, we have your wallet. Everyone has to walk around with wallets. My wallet's full of cash as always because we're blessed by the big man upstairs, so I appreciate that. Thank God there. And this is my Note 20 that we just recently got. So as you can tell by my Samsung Galaxy Buds, we're a big fan of Samsung. I just got this Note 20 and it's really helping me with my creative side. And then here is the battery. So we have a Sony CR2450. As always, I will have links in the description. And guys, as well, this is my online shop. So for everything I have, everything I've done to the car, all my modifications, whether it's tuning, whether it's coding, whether it's modifications, we even have some Samsung products, everything I put in a nice, neat site for you guys. So when everyone asks where I got this, and that, first link in the description, guys. Alright, so first things first, obviously we have to distinguish which key needs the replacement, since I am maybe one of one who always carries 2 keys in their pockets. But I did go ahead and determine it is the Flyers keychain key fob that needs the replacement. I double checked the keys replacement as well, just to be sure. Shout out to Keys, always gotta support that local business. Yeah, buddy. So getting started, got a little flathead screwdriver. We flip the key fob over, this little button back here. Pull it out, unveil the key, and then there's little tabs right up in here. We're gonna go ahead and pry these out. Give it a little twist, give it a little elbow grease. Well, that's not how you do it, but that's one way to do it, and expose the CR battery right here, and then a little bit more elbow grease, pop it right out. Man, bada bing, bada boom, as simple as that. Here's the replacement. Yeah, simple as that. Go ahead and put the back on. You'll hear it clip into place. Bada bing, bada boom. Everything looks to be okay. Get the key back in. There you have it. We got some trash. We have no more car yelling at us. Good to go. Alright guys, nice simple smooth sailing video for you guys today. Hopefully I kept it quick, who knows, I always tend to go a little overboard, but anything, as per usual, everything you saw in today's video, links will be down in the description. I do my best to kind of organize everything like in my kit, so that way when I get those daily messages of, hey, where'd you get this, where'd you get that, it's all right here. But hey, if you want to hit me up, if you want to message me about anything, where I got this, where I got that, feel free to hit me up. I have no problem. I mean, I enjoy those conversations. I enjoy, you know, from BMW enthusiast to BMW enthusiast. I enjoy those conversations, so feel free to hit me up whenever. Appreciate you guys watching. Smash that like button for your boy. It really helps me out. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.